Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Cadillac ATS. It's right here behind me. Why don't we start right away up front. On the front end you have HID headlights. You also have a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. Chrome wheels are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have a full touch screen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cadillac on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.